Hello everyone, welcome to Online Health Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Westlaw account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in westlaw.com. Then you'll come across this sign-in page. Here you'll have to enter your username associated with your account and your valid password. And if you've forgotten your username and password, then you can click on Forgot Username and Forgot Password links respectively. If you want to save your username in the device you're logging in with, then check the box that says Save Username. Similarly, if you want to save both your username and password, then check the box that says Save Username and Password. And if you don't want them to be remembered, then uncheck the boxes. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Westlaw account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.